Well, hi everyone. I'm Local 5 meteorologist Evan Bunkers with your web forecast. Today was a story of two halves. This morning we started out with gloomy conditions, but as we went throughout the day, the sun came out. It was a really nice day out there. Unfortunately, yesterday we did miss out on the rain. We could desperately use the rain. Now, turning towards the 10-day, we have a taste of fall and summer with some warm temperatures and some very warm temperatures. And unfortunately, like I said, sparse rain chances are expected throughout the week. High temperatures today, just slightly cooler than yesterday. 78 here in Des Moines, 79 up in Ames, off towards the western part of the state, 77 in Carroll, 76 in Fort Dodge, and 77 degrees in both Creston and in Lamoni. Now, as we head into the evening hours tonight, we're expecting clear to mostly clear skies out there. Temperatures tonight, very chilly. I mean, relatively speaking, lower 50s will be our low temperatures tonight, and then we'll see high temperatures tomorrow back up into the upper 70s. And like I said, as we head into the overnight hours tonight, you can expect mostly clear skies out there. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, though, clouds will be on the increase, and we do have just a slight chance of seeing a shower, mainly to the north or east of the metro area. Unfortunately, it looks like we're not going to see much rain here in central Iowa. And then as we move into Tuesday, another chance of some afternoon showers, mainly towards the eastern part of the state, so we might miss out on that as well. And unfortunately, for the rest of the 10-day forecast, those rain chances are rather low. Forecasted low temperatures for tonight, 57 degrees here in Des Moines, 54 up in Ames, 55 in Fort Dodge, 54 over in Carroll, off towards the eastern part of the state, 56 in Grinnell, and 55 degrees in Ottumwa. Now, as we head throughout the day tomorrow, like I said, we're going to see clouds on the increase throughout the day. Temperatures are going to probably peak in the upper 70s, and you can expect the same thing as we move into Tuesday. High temperatures for tomorrow, 78 here in Des Moines, slightly cooler off towards the north, 72 in Fort Dodge, 73 over in Carroll, over towards the eastern part of the state, 77 in Grinnell, and 79 degrees for you folks down in Ottumwa. Well, let's break our forecast down for tonight. 57 degrees will be our low temperature, a cool and pleasant overnight, winds light and variable. For tomorrow, we'll see clouds on the increase as we go throughout the day. Just a slight chance of seeing a shower, mainly north or east of the metro. We'll see a high temperature tomorrow of 78 degrees. Taking a look at your 10-day forecast, 75 degrees on Wednesday, slightly cooler out there, but as you can see, as we go towards the end of the 10-day forecast, it looks to be dry and a return to the 80s by next weekend.